One of the most common consultations or complaints that I see actually is saggy necks. It is men and women, women and men of all ages, and it always starts with a little bit of sagging. There are new ways that we've actually developed. It started when we wrote this facelift book here, and we realized that a lot of people don't need a facelift. In fact, because of the new technology with FaceTite and also with laser resurfacing, often a facelift isn't necessary. We get enough tightening with those procedures. But the neck is still a procedure that is required because we can't really use those procedures as well, although FaceTite does work on the neck. So for many people here who have this saggy neck, people think that it's a really big deal. And in fact, it's a much smaller deal than going through a facelift. You can do it definitely under local anesthesia. You can do it so that all the incision lines are hidden back in here. It does act as sort of a mini facelift in that even though the incision is behind the ear, you can get tightening of the jowls. So it works as a mini lift. And everything's hidden well so that the recovery really isn't that long. We do so many of them that we really see very little bleeding, very little bruising. So most people have some swelling for several days, but really this part heals really quickly. The only complaint, people don't usually have any discomfort, minimal discomfort. The only complaint that some people have is that you do have to wear this Velcro thing at nighttime. You have to do that for about a couple weeks, and that just tucks in the skin under here a little bit better. But the results are uniformly good. The complications are extremely rare, infection, bleeding, scarring. The scarring is all really minimal and no one's ever complained about it back here. And I think that of all the procedures, if we had to rank it, it's one of the happiest satisfaction procedures. So the neck lift is one that maybe if people have questions about, we can certainly give anyone the newer way of doing a neck lift, that is without general anesthesia, without drains, and people are really happy with that procedure.